I'm an engineer here at Lincoln Electric Additive Solutions, and today I'd like to discuss when to choose wire arc 3D metal printing for your business. Wire arc 3D metal printing, or additive manufacturing, is a process where we build parts by stacking metal, one weld bead at a time, one layer at a time, until we end up with the part geometry that we need. This process is ideal for larger parts, ranging from just tens to even thousands of pounds. We've printed parts to date above 8 feet tall, 5 feet wide, and even over 5,000 pounds. This process is ideal for low volume parts of unique geometries due to the minimal effort up front as opposed to a casting or a forging. It all starts with a quote to our customer based on a model of the intended print geometry as well as the desired material. Once we have an order, we can use the model to create a build strategy and a path plan. Then we let the robot do the heavy work and actually print the part. After it's finished, we can go through a few quality assurance checks and then we send the part out the door. Additive manufacturing is unique in that we're not limited by complex geometry, so regardless of how complex a geometry or build strategy is, we can use the same process every time, making us an ideal solution for a wide range of parts and applications. Here at Lincoln Electric, we have over 125 years of welding experience to support the quality of our parts. We also make our own equipment and even our own path planning software to constantly grow and develop in tandem with the technology. We have the largest 3D metal printing capacity in North America with many robotic systems, as well as 24/7 production support capabilities. We make big parts in less time. For more information on Lincoln Electric Additive Solutions, visit lincolnelectric.com.